A shocking news has recently come up regarding the drug probe that cropped up during the investigation of Sushant Singh Rajput. If the reports are to be believed, then the government organization NCB has finally filed a charge sheet. Yes, as per the recent reports of the Indian Express, the Mumbai Zonal Unit of Narcotics Control Bureau has filed a charge sheet today. The charge sheet is regarding the alleged drug probe related to the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. As per the reports of the Indian Express, a total of 35 people have been named in the charge sheet. What is more shocking is that the list of names includes the name of Bollywood actress and Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty's name. Also, Rhea Chakraborty's brother Shovik Chakraborty's name has also been included in the charge sheet. On the other hand, reports are suggesting that the late actor's former manager Samuel Miranda's name also got a space in the charge sheet. Sushant Singh Rajput's house help Deepesh Sawant's name is also included among those 35 names. Kshitij Prasad, former employee of Dharma Production, also got a place in the charge sheet. Bollywood actor Arjun Rampal's partner's brother, Agesilaus Demetriad's name also got mentioned in the charge sheet. As per the reports, the charge sheet is over 12,000 pages and it also included WhatsApp chats between the accused. It also includes the call data records and bank documents too. Over 200 witness statements are also added in the charge sheet as revealed by the NCB officials. Reports have revealed that the charge sheet was brought into 2 trunks at the court on Friday. Do you think Rhea Chakraborty will get arrested again? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.